Want to surprise your clients on their birthdays, but tired of sending emails manually? What if you could set it up once and have it run automatically every single day? Hey everyone, welcome to Open Dashboard. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to build a birthday email automation workflow that sends personalized messages to your customers right on their special day. Wait, what's Open Dashboard? It's an all-in-one business management platform that helps you automate tasks, manage projects, create workflows, all in one organized workspace. First things first, sign up on Open Dashboard if you haven't already. Once inside, create a database either from scratch or by using a pre-built template. Since I already have an account, I'll log into my workspace. To create a database, I'll go to the Shared Databases section. Click the plus icon to create one. I'll name my database. You can either manually input your columns or import a CSV file. Mm, mm. When import, when importing, map your fields to match your data. Preview and confirm your setup. Then hit Finish Import. Let's automate, guys. First, you go to Workflows and click New Workflow. Give your workflow a clear name and description like birthday email automation. Next, you set a trigger. What's a trigger? A trigger is an event that tells the workflow when to start. In this case, I'll be using the onSchedule trigger since I want this workflow to check daily for birthdays. Next, I'll be adding find records. and filter the record based on the birthday date. I want it to be as a date for anniversary today. Next step is to look through the record. To do that, I'll go to loop and then loop on items. I want it to loop the birthdays, so I'll name it. Oh, inside the loop, I will add a step to send a personalized birthday email. You can customize your email with your customer's name or any other details from the database to make it feel personal. I'll choose a sender, the recipient's name, the recipient's email address, I'm using loop birthday because that was the name I gave for the previous step, loop on items. I gave it the name loop birthdays. Then I'll add a subject and a body to the email. With this, our workflow comes to an end. Once everything looks good, hit publish and you're done. Your birthday automation is now live and running daily. This workflow helps you celebrate your customers automatically, stay on top of things, stay on top of mind in a thoughtful way, save time by skipping manually, save time by skipping manual reminders. Want to try this for your team? Install this exact workflow from the Opendashboard Marketplace. The link is in the description. Subscribe for more tutorials and pro tips. Got questions? Drop a comment or email us at hi@opendashboard.co. If this helped you, like and share so more people can learn. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.